In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search cards in Trello. This is a simple process that can significantly enhance your efficiency when managing tasks and projects. So, let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First things first, you'll want to start by heading over to the Trello website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Trello's URL. Once you have Trello's homepage in front of you, the next thing you'll need to do is log in to your account. At the top right corner of the screen, there is a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be given several options to log into your Trello account. For today, let's go ahead and use your Google account to log in. Click on the Google option and you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. Choose the appropriate account and just like that, you're logged into Trello, ready to get started. Once you're in Trello, the next important step is to open the board where you want to search for a card. If you regularly use Trello, you probably have quite a few boards, so make sure you select the right one. Locate your board in the list and click on it to open it. Now that your board is open, it's time to utilize Trello's search feature to find the card you're looking for. Take your eyes to the top of the screen. You'll see a search bar in that area. This search bar is a powerful tool for swiftly locating cards within your Trello boards. Click in the search bar and you'll be able to type the name of the card you want to search for. As you type, Trello will automatically begin to show you search results. This feature is quite handy because it allows you to narrow down your search as you type, making finding what you need much faster and more efficient. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily search for cards in Trello, making it simpler to navigate through your projects, save time, and keep everything organized without any hassle. Remember, using the search function effectively can greatly help you stay on top of your tasks and ensure nothing gets overlooked. I hope you found this guide helpful for managing your Trello boards more efficiently. If you need to refresh your memory on any steps, feel free to rewatch this video. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial with more productivity tips and tricks.